going to talk about Brock string. So Brock string is the long piece of string that we give you with the different beads on it. The whole point of doing the Brock string is to improve your eye's ability to focus on different spots and improve your convergence. And so that's your crossing of your eyes. It takes advantage of the fact that when we look at things, there's an area we see things in single and everything else is double. And there's a way you can kind of do this as well by just holding your finger up in front of your face and looking at your finger. Your finger will be single while other things behind it will be double. So again, the whole point of this exercise is to get you to hold the string up against your nose as the picture is over here. And then we have you looking at the different beads here, which will all be different colors on the string. When we have you look at one of the beads, what you're supposed to see on the 3 closest beads would be having 2 strings going towards the bead and 2 strings leaving the bead. Now, when you look at that bead, you should see that bead is single, while all the other beads, if they're further apart, should be double. Then if you switch to the second bead, you should have the same thing where you'll have the 2 strings going towards the bead and the 2 strings leaving, along with the third bead if you look there. Now, if you look at the 2 furthest beads, you may only see 2 strings going towards the bead and 1 string leaving, and that's okay. So when we're doing this as well, we will get you to quickly switch between the different beads and trying to again get that X or V pattern at every single bead. Now, if you see the strings crossing in front of the bead, that means that you are looking too close. So you need to adjust your eyes to look further down the string. And how you do that is just by looking further. Now, if you see the strings cross behind the bead, that means you're looking too far. That means you need to try to force your eyes to look closer. Another thing that could happen is that if one of your eyes isn't working properly, you will only see 1 string. So your right eye is actually responsible for the left string, and your left eye is responsible for the right string. So if one of your eyes isn't working again, you'll only see 1. And if that happens, you can try different things such as blinking your eyes hard, touching the bead, and different areas like that in order to improve that.